Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best automatic broom currently on the market, the Yocada Carpet Sweeper Cleaner. If you're tired of bulky vacuum cleaners, tangled cords, or constantly charging batteries, this might just be your perfect cleaning companion. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk about what this device is and isn't. The Yocada Carpet Sweeper is a manually operated, cordless cleaning tool designed specifically for low-pile carpets, rugs, and undercoat carpets. It's not meant for hardwood, ceramic, tile, or other smooth surfaces. This sweeper is strictly for carpeted areas. But where it works, it really shines. Its compact size, just 11 inches long, about 8 inches wide, and under 3 inches high, makes it lightweight and easy to store. The full height is about 42.5 inches, which gives you enough length to clean without constantly bending over. And with a weight of just under 1.5 kilograms, it's super easy to maneuver, even for seniors or kids. Now here's where it gets exciting. The Yocada sweeper is completely battery-free. That's right, no need to plug in or recharge. You simply roll it back and forth on your carpet, and its internal brush system sweeps up dirt, crumbs, pet hair, scraps of paper, and even small bits of debris like breadcrumbs and dust. It's a truly eco-friendly and hassle-free solution. But what about emptying the bin? Is it messy? Not at all. This sweeper features a button release mechanism that lets you empty the internal compartment directly into the trash. No dustpan, no touching debris. Just press, dump, and move on. While it may not replace your vacuum cleaner for deep cleaning, it's perfect for quick touch-ups. Think of it as your go-to for those daily messes. Maybe your dog sheds all over the living room, or your kids leave a trail of cereal crumbs. With the Yocada sweeper, you can handle all that without hauling out the big guns. A big plus is how quiet it is. No noise at all, which is ideal if you're cleaning around sleeping babies, during calls, or in office spaces. It's especially handy in multi-level homes or apartments where a vacuum might disturb your neighbors. In terms of build quality, the sweeper has a modern look and durable construction. The metal handle feels sturdy in hand, and the rotating brush underneath is effective without being overly aggressive on carpets. It's designed to glide smoothly and cover your floor efficiently. So who is this best for? We'd recommend the Yocada Carpet Sweeper to pet owners. Busy parents, teachers, office users, and elderly users who want a lightweight, dependable solution for keeping carpets neat between deep cleans. To wrap up, no electricity, no cords, no noise, no dustpan. Just a straightforward, reliable cleaner that does exactly what it's built to do. At its price point, it's a great investment for anyone with a carpeted space that needs frequent attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest product breakdowns, and let us know in the comments. Have you tried the Yocada Carpet Sweeper? Or is there another automatic broom you swear by? See you next time.